say that as well, because we know from like anthropology and stuff like that that there was a time when there was, what was it, several different species of humanoids.
Yes, going back far back, the humans that lived alongside Homo sapiens were different enough that you would have noticed. Like a Neanderthal, for example,
Yeah.
you look at a Neanderthal skull, they would have been quite significantly different in appearance to a modern human. Sure, they're taller, they're stockier, but they would have looked quite different. There's actually a lot of people think the concept of uncanny valley might come from the fact that we once lived alongside other humans. I don't know if you
Right, yeah.
know a lot about uncanny valley.
Yeah.
So yeah, whenever we see anything that looks human but isn't quite, it gives us this kind of sense of dread and fear.
Yeah.
Like robots, that's the big
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
And then kind of AI and all of that, like that's one of the big discussions around kind of this primal fear we have of anything that looks human but isn't quite human.
Because they may have been other tribes or species that may have attacked us.
Exactly. Like
Yeah.
at one point we were living with Neanderthal and potentially other humans, Denisovans and others, that were living in especially Europe at the same time as Homo sapiens.
Yeah.
And we could have encountered them. In fact, by genetic studies, we know that Neanderthal we most certainly encountered.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it's interesting. You kind of, although we don't have writing to tell us stories about some of these things, there is definitely a sense of kind of folklore and mythology passing down through genetics, which is fascinating.
Wow, that's really cool. We'll jump forward to your
Yep.
favorite period.